Okay, warm-up problem number 1. Okay, the answer for this one is 2. I've done that every time. Warm-up problem number 2. Okay. For this one, we want to do -3 plus -1, so we make that plus positive. A -3 and a positive 1 will be a -2 over 2, and that gives us -1. Warm-up problem number 3. Okay, answer for this one is 3. Warm-up problem number 4. Okay, answer for that one is -4. Warm-up problem number 5. Okay, answer for this one is -1. Alright, bring up your number for the lottery. Alright, lottery number is 1. Okay, homework check. Take it to Mr. Skinner. Bring up 1 through 3. Alright, the answers for 1 through 3 are 4, -3, and -3. Then, alright, bring up 4 through 6. Answers for 4 through 6 are 4, -2, and -7. Okay, bring up 7 through 9. Answers for 7 through 9 are 6, -3, and -9. Okay, bring up 10 through 12. Answers for 10 through 12 are 6, 0, and -5. Alright, bring up 13 through 15. Answers for 13 through 15 are -2, 1, and -6. Okay, any questions on the homework? Alright, our objective today is demonstrate fluency in computations using real numbers. And our learning target, squaring negatives, adding, subtracting in quantities, and multi-integer problems. Alright, for example number 1, we're just going to go across this whole entire thing. So -2 minus a -3, we can change that to plus positive. -2 plus 3 will give us a positive 1. 1 plus -4 will be -3, and -3 minus 1 is going to give us a -4. Okay, example problem number 2. Alright, so we have -3 squared. The negative and the 3 are separate, so whenever we do this, it's going to be, we're going to square the 3 and the negative will be by itself. So it'll be -9 plus, and then we need to do this quantity right here. 2 times -3 is -6. -9 plus -6 will make it -15. For the second one, 4 squared, that'll be 16. 16 times -2. And this we can change to plus positive, so that'll be plus 4. 16 times -2 is -32. And when we add 4, we'll get -28. Alright, practice problem number 1. Alright, so we'll have 7 minus -5. We can change that to plus positive. That makes that 12 plus -2 minus 1. 12 plus -2 will be 10, and 10 minus 1 is going to be 9. So the answer for that one was -2. Okay, the answer to this one will be 1. Practice problem number 2. For practice problem number 2, we want to do this right here first. 2 times 8 is 16. And -4 squared is going to give us -16. And that's going to be 0.
34.
Answer for the bonus is -5.
Completely forgot. Completely forgot. It was 0 though, whatever.
Okay, the answer for that one was -11. Speed problems. Okay. Answer for this one is -10.
Okay, so 6.
The answer for this one is 6.
Okay.
Okay. 8 divided by 2 is going to give you 4. 4 plus 2 will give you 8. Or 6, sorry. Wow. Okay, and then 6 squared will give you 36 over 6,
Okay.
and that'll give you 6. Okay, number 3. Okay, so for this one we do 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 squared is 16.
16 times 2 is 32.
And 32 divided by 4 is going to give you 8. Alright, number 4. The answer for that one is 5. Okay, number 5. Alright.
Hey, timeout!
Number 5 was negative 2. Okay, example problem number 3. Okay, so for this, we just multiply across. So negative 5 times 3 will give us negative 15 times negative 2. That's going to make it 30. 4 times negative 6 will be negative 24. Negative 24 times 0 will be 0. And 0 times negative 2 is going to be 0. Okay. Example problem number 4. First thing we want to do is right here in the parentheses, negative 5 minus negative 1, we can change it to plus positive. So we get 3 times negative 5 plus 1 will be negative 4. Okay, since this is in the parentheses, that makes the negative sign and the 4 together, so we can square it. Negative 4 times negative 4, and that'll be 3 times 16, and that'll give us 48. Okay, practice problem number 3. Okay, answer is going to be negative 4. Pass that around. Okay, the answer for that one was 3. Alright, practice problem number 4. Okay, so for this we want to do the inside first. 6 minus negative 2, change that to plus positive. So we have negative 3 times 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. And 3 times 60, or negative 3 times 64 should be negative 192. Yeah, you missed a number. I don't know how you got 92 instead of negative 92.
I got 192, but I forgot.
Oh, wait.
Okay,
You guys should get 2 for that. Wait, can you hand her this other one? Yeah. Thank you. Alright. No bonus for this one. Sorry, guys.
Because I'm smarticles and speed problem.
Alright.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Okay.
Ooh, son. I missed.
Okay, for this one, we want to do the parentheses first. 7 minus negative 3, we can change it to plus positive. So that's negative 2 times 10 divided by 5. Negative 2 times 10 will equal negative 20, and negative 20 over 5 will give you a negative 4. Sorry, don't worry about it. Okay, so for this one, 8 minus negative 8 will be plus positive. So that's going to be 8 times 8 is 64. 2 squared is 4, so 64 divided by 4. And I have the wrong answer for this, don't I?
Yes.
Wow, I am sorry. How'd most people get 4 then? 16, not 64. Wow, sorry. 16 divided by 4, and that should equal 4.
That's what. It's probably the most dumbest thing ever. Matt and I were being.
They called turn it run down, but like we ran this about 15 yards, but I needed yards. Yeah. And then we